Did Apple just turn the iPad Air into a MacBook Killer with the M3 chip? Apple's new iPad Air comes in two size options for the first time: an ultra-portable 11-inch model and a larger, productivity-focused 13-inch model. Both models continue the sleek, lightweight aluminum design that Apple is known for and are available in four stylish finishes: blue, purple, starlight, and space gray. The design offers versatility for students, professionals, and creatives who want powerful performance in a sleek package. At the heart of the new iPad Air is the powerful M3 chip, bringing a significant boost in performance. Users can expect up to 35% faster CPU speeds in multi-threaded tasks compared to the M1 chip, and up to 40% faster graphics thanks to the 9-core GPU. It also introduces advanced graphics technologies like hardware-accelerated ray tracing, mesh shading, and dynamic caching, making the iPad Air suitable for intense gaming, creative workflows, and multitasking. With the M3 chip's upgraded neural engine, the new iPad Air is optimized to support Apple Intelligence, a collection of advanced AI tools and features. This includes new experiences like the cleanup tool in the Photos app, which lets users remove unwanted objects with ease, and Genmoji, which creates fun, personalized emojis. The device is future-ready for more AI-driven workflows, making it smarter and more helpful than ever. Apple also introduced a redesigned Magic Keyboard to complement the new iPad Air. This keyboard includes a larger trackpad for improved navigation, a row of function keys for instant access to system controls, and a magnetic floating design that securely connects without Bluetooth. A USB-C port is built into the hinge for pass-through charging, offering a seamless and premium typing experience that turns the iPad Air into a true productivity machine. The iPad Air offers beautiful liquid retina displays in both 11-inch and 13-inch versions, giving users the freedom to choose between portability and a larger canvas. The displays are vibrant and detailed, perfect for watching movies, editing photos, sketching, or multitasking. Whether you're a student or a creative professional, the display adapts to your workflow with precision and color accuracy. The new iPad Air starts at $599 for the 11-inch Wi-Fi model and $799 for the 13-inch version. Cellular options are available starting at $749 and $949, respectively. Apple also provides educational discounts, with prices starting at $549 for students and teachers. Customers can pre-order now, and the devices will be available in stores and online beginning March 12, 2025. So, is the new iPad Air with M3 powerful enough to replace your laptop? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest tech updates from Tech Talk.